I cannot stress enough the importance of singing on pitch. Everyone knows the 8-note scale, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Well, there's an exercise I use with my students that's a mix-up of this that really helps you to nail those pitches straight through the center.
Sing out and find your voice.
The Jaclyn Show.
So Hannah, we're going to just show them a little bit of our pitch exercise, and let's go through it very slowly to teach everyone out there that they can do it too. Starting with 1, 1, 2, 1. Hannah.
1, 1, 2, 1.
Good.
1, 2, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now all the way to the octave.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Very good. Now you should start just one at a time. 1. Make sure you get the 1. Next go to 1, 2, 1. And isolate those pitches until you get them just right. And when you master that, continue with
8, 8, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Very good. By practicing that exercise, first slowly and then speeding it up, you're sure to improve your pitch. And if you don't have a voice teacher around, I recommend grabbing a tape player and recording yourself and listening back and making sure that each pitch is correct.
Ooh, 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 the Jaclyn Show.